From the river to the mountain, from the vineyard to the sea, all creation sings your patience, calling wandering hearts to peace. Under your gentle sky, we lay our worries down, roots in the living ground, hearts to the hallowed sound. Under your gentle sky, your mercy flowing wide, teach us to